of all, we are going to collect the fruit peel like the leftover of pineapple peel from the school's canteen or from home.
Next, we are going to prepare the packets of the palm sugar that are going to dissolve in the plain water.
In order to make the process of the syrup fast, we warm up the plain water and mix with the palm sugar. After that, we are going to prepare a container with a cap on top. We are going to transfer the solution into the container.
The fruit peel will be transferred to the container with palm sugar solution after.
The mixer will be left for 2 to 3 weeks. The chemical reaction took place. After 2 weeks, we are going to filter the mixer and extract the clean magic liquid. The liquid will be filled up into the small container with seal. That's the product of magic liquid, the organic enzyme that help to solve the environment issue like smell pollution that happen in the school.
There are some useful functions of the magic liquid. Let's explore it together.